pushing me to do this and that, and if I get a little bit lazy, give me a kick up the bum.
Do you have any pets?
No. No. Just don't like animals really.